Yeah, got her partially welded up here. Just got to put a strip in here, clean it all up. Well, there it is after I welded it up. And sanding disc down, a little bit of filing, etc. This is the face that the bearing mounts into, so I got to get it flat. The other face I didn't worry about too much. I mean, it's not like I fully beveled the plates when I welded them. I did a little bit, but so some of this weld here will help to strengthen it a little bit. I just don't want it being too thin and cracking or something, You never know. But it's pretty well fully welded, so the main, like I say, the main thing is that it's flat. The plate bowed. I had to do some fancy hammering there. I had to open the vise up and get it to spread it, pound it down, and this, that, and you gotta play around with it, just like when I fix a Briggs & Stratton sheet metal cover like one of these. You get one that's dented all to heck. Spend enough time at it, you can generally get them relatively straight. But anyway, so we'll see what she's like with the bearing in it. Well, it fit back together real well there. No wobbling or anything, it's all flat. So in this case here, you don't want to forget your key. You don't want to forget this washer here. Put that washer on, set the key in. And then this guy is like a press fit, so I will see what it takes to get it back on there. First thing I'm going to do is heat it up and start hitting it with a hammer, I guess. Well, got the pulley back on there. It's all back together. Everything rotates good. So basically I had to heat it up and pound it on. I used a flat piece of steel, had it sitting on an anvil on this side with a paper towel under it so it wouldn't scar the face of that. And it only took like 3 hits and it was on. So then I put a set screw in it that wasn't there to start with. She should be all good now. So hopefully that was a successful operation. Now you can see that, hopefully you can see that that pulley sticks out proud of this, and that's the wall, so that's why I had to cut that slot in the side of the snowblower. Well, that's not normally the way it works, but I wanted to tip it up here, get some light down in here, show my modification here. So got the V-belt on easily. As you can see, hopefully, the outside of that pulley there is past the wall, and I got my cover made there so that I have enough room to install the V-belt, and it went right on, no problem. There's my cover screwed on and silicone sealed in place to keep snow and rain and everything out of it. So my intention was to make video with the front end still off, but I got a little carried away there putting it back together. So next goes the motor, and we see how much fun the V-belt is to install. Hopefully it's a little bit easier than it was before. So here we can see the drive wheel there that gives you your, in effect, gears. Rides on this aluminum plate there. So that's maximum forward. It doesn't move as far as it used to because I moved this guy this way. So that slowed it down and forward. Now we'll see where it goes into in reverse. So there it is in high-speed reverse. That's a considerable difference from where it was before. So here's hoping that it makes a significant difference in the speed in reverse. We'll find out soon enough.